In this video, you'll learn how to connect your OKX wallet to the ICE network. By following these steps, you'll be able to manage your crypto assets seamlessly on the ICE network using your OKX wallet. Begin by opening the OKX wallet application on your device. Once the app is open, look towards the top of the screen where you will see a toggle switch. This toggle allows you to switch between the exchange and wallet modes. Make sure to switch it from exchange to wallet to access your wallet features. After switching to the wallet mode, scroll down to the bottom of the interface. Here, you will find an option labeled Manage Crypto. Tap on this option to proceed to the next step. This section will allow you to manage and add new cryptocurrencies to your wallet. Now, you will need to search for the ICE network. In the Manage Crypto section, locate the search bar at the top. Type ICE into this search bar. As you type, the app will display relevant results. Ensure that the result shows the BNB chain logo, which indicates that it is the correct network you wish to add. Once you've confirmed that ICE is the correct option, tap on the plus icon next to it. This action will add ICE to your home screen in the OKX wallet. You should see a confirmation or a brief loading indicator as the app processes this addition. To connect your OKX wallet to dApps on the ICE network website, look for a button labeled Connect Wallet on the site. When you tap this button, a list will appear featuring various wallet options. Select OKX Wallet from this list to initiate the connection process. After selecting OKX Wallet, a pop-up will appear within your OKX app, prompting you to approve the connection. Review the details presented in the pop-up and tap Approve to finalize the connection. This step is essential for allowing your wallet to interact with the ICE network. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.